Hello student, welcome to Vedantu Doubt app. Am I audible to you? Yes, okay. So which language you prefer for this session? Hindi, English or both? Both languages, right? So in your question it is given to you that if the first, second and eighth term of GP are respectively, so given to you first and second, okay, first, second and eighth term, okay. So eighth term of GP, okay, geometrical progression GP, that is given to you n to power -4 and n to power 4, n to power n and n to power 52, right? This is given to you. So question is asking to you what will be the to find, what to find. So the value of n is equal to what? So let us see how you solve this type of question. You know that GP are this type: a ar, ar square, ar cube, dot dot dot, okay, where a is first term and r is common multiple, right? So that case, अब now you can easily see that first term, okay, तो first term that is equal to ar. अब now first term is equal to a and that is given to you n to power -4, n to power -4, and second term that is equal to ar, okay. So second term ar that is equal to n to power n, this is also given to you, okay. So now you can easily see that now divide second term, okay, second by first. So you get value r that is equal to ar by a, okay. This is the method to finding the value of r. So that means you can write ar, that means n to power 4, n to power n, and the value of a is equal to n to power -4. So you can write this as a n to power n plus 4 by using एक्सपोनेंशियल लॉ, ओके. नेगेटिव पावर है, ऊपर साइड जाएगी तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी, तो n टू पावर n प्लस 4. देन इट इज़ गिवन दैट एट्थ टर्म, ओके. तो एट्थ टर्म, तो एट्थ टर्म दैट इज इक्वल टू ए आर टू पावर 7 and this value is equal to n to power 52. अब now calculate it. So when you calculate, so the value of a is equal to n to power -4 and the value of r that is equal to n to power n plus 4 की whole power 7, that is equal to n to power 52, okay. So this is, so now calculate it, n to power 4 and n to power n plus 4 to power 7. So it will be n to power, okay, 7n plus 24. So it will be 7 4 ja 24, so positive 24, because 28 minus, you can write this type also, 7 4 ja 28 minus 4, that is equal to n to power 52, okay. Because base are same to so compare the powers, so it will be 7n and my plus 24 is equal to 52. So the value of n is equal to 52 minus 24 and upon divide by 7, okay. So this value is equal to 28 by 7, okay. So the value of n will be 4. So this is your correct answer. So student, I hope you got your answer, okay. So please read the session with awesome rating, and if you have any confusion, so you can again join with me, follow up. Thank you, have a nice day.